In this video, I'd like to show you how to add an event to your school's web page calendar. So first, you've gone through the tutorial and you know how to sign in to your website. If you click on User Options, go down to Site Manager, it opens up the editing interface. You'll see two links. Right now I'm on the district homepage. You'll see your homepage and then you'll see a calendar link. If you click on that, opens up another window, and on this one it says district calendar. It'll say Dalton or Fernan or whoever's calendar this is. Click on the little gray pencil to edit, and then simply whatever date you want to add an event to, double click on that date and then type in the event. Type in some event details. If it's an all-day event, you can click the little box that says all day, or you can set a time, say 5 a.m. to, well, that'd be an early event, to 8 a.m. And then you can also choose a category. So we're going to say this is an athletic event, and then click Save. And you'll see my event shows up here. If you want to edit this event, you can either double click or you can click on the green edit button and go back in. I'm going to delete this event. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions about this or any of our other videos, please send me an email to jmahn@cdaschools.org. Thank you.